Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today's lesson is about this expression, get in someone's hair. To get in someone's hair. What is that? Someone over here is the possessive, let's say, possessive adjective, so it can be my hair, your hair, his hair, her hair, John's hair, Mary's hair, or somebody's hair, okay? It can change according to the person that we're talking about. And this is the verb, so it can take time. I mean, it can change according to the tense. So it can be got or will get or something like this. So you can change that based on considering the time of the sentence. Okay, but what does it mean? Well, imagine someone is playing with your hair and their hand is in your hair and they are pulling your hair and pushing it and doing these kind of things. What happens to you? How would you feel? Well, you get nervous, you get frustrated, you get angry, you get annoyed. Okay, so whatever. So that feeling, okay, when we have that feeling because of something, because of someone's behavior or someone doing something, let me say that thing, that behavior, that song, that music, that whatever gets in my hair means make me feel that way, okay? Make me feel frustrated, annoyed, uh, restless, okay? So that's it. Now let's look at examples. Should be more clear after that. Harry keeps the kids occupied so they do not get in my hair while I'm cooking. Okay? Imagine you are cooking and kids are around you. They are playing and they are putting things down and breaking things and throwing their toys everywhere. So that makes you feel frustrated, annoyed. So then, but someone, Harry over here, Harry keeps them occupied, keeps the kids occupied. And so that they do not get in my hair. They do not get in my hair. They do not bother me anymore while I'm cooking. Okay? Now let's look at the other example. Mary tried to ignore Bill and go on with her work. But he was really getting in her hair. Okay? We've got Mary and Bill. Mary tries to ignore Bill and goes on with her work as if the person is not there. But he really gets on her nerves. Or gets on her nerve and gets in her hair. Okay? Gets in her hair. But he was really getting in her hair. As you can see over here, getting has taken tense of the has changed because of the present progressive or past progressive tense. As I told you, this is the verb, so it can take the tense. It can change because of the tense. So Bill is there. Mary tries to ignore him, and just like as if he is not there, but his presence really annoys Mary. And Mary can't really say that, yeah, whatever, you're here, okay, that's fine. No, she really can't feel that way, and she is annoyed. She is really frustrated because of his presence, okay? Or maybe because he says something or does something, okay? And over here, I've got her snobbishness gets in my hair. So I just brought this one over here to tell you that this is also possible. So we can say her snobbishness gets in my hair, or her attitude gets in my hair, her behavior gets in my hair, or even her dog gets in my hair, okay? So whatever. Something which is hers, okay, gets in my hair. Now you can replace, you can fill the blank, okay? So her something gets in my hair, or his something. Now you can keep this, let's say, frame and complete it. But you can also use it in a different way. I'm not saying that you have to do this, but this is also possible. So we sometimes say something of someone, like snobbishness, behavior, or whatever gets in my hair, and that is enough. You don't need to really continue go on this for hours. Okay, so that was the expression of this video. So get in one's hair, get in someone's hair means to really annoy them, to bother them, to make them feel frustrated, something like this. There should be something like that in your language. Would you please comment it below this video and write it so we can have a couple of other examples of other languages as well? That would be great if you do so. And I'll see you in the next video then. Till then, bye.